everybody, welcome back to my channel, or to my channel if you are new. Now Halloween is looking different this year, and it should look different this year because COVID. So I wanted to keep that in mind while I planned out my Halloween costume video for this year. So I focused on Halloween costumes that you can wear all day. So maybe you can dress up at work and you have to go to work that day, or maybe you're not doing anything and you're just staying in, but you still kind of want to dress up. These are outfits that are like normal clothes that you can totally wear and still have fun. Just because you might not be doing what you normally do on Halloween doesn't mean you can't still have fun. So with that in mind, I have about 6 costumes today that I'm going to show you, and then some other ideas to branch off of them. But I hope you guys enjoy. All of these things I found in my closet, so I hope it's some inspiration to look in your closet and see what you can find. Let's get on with this video. I love Halloween. I love dressing up, and these videos bring me so much joy. So let's do this. The first outfit is Velma from Scooby-Doo. I love Scooby-Doo, and I already had pieces in my closet that reminded me of Velma's outfit, so I thought it would be perfect. A tip when finding Halloween costumes in your own closet is to get inspired from the character or person or thing that you are dressing as, and not having to make it exact. So she normally wears an orange sweater with like a red skirt, but I didn't have a skirt, so I have red pants instead. I thought that was a cute take on it. Got glasses that are black, not the same style, but they're still black glasses. They represent it well enough. And then I just threw on some black heeled kind of boots because I thought they just kind of completed the look. And it's as simple as that. It can get actually very simple if you are just kind of being inspired by their outfits and not trying to do it spot on. Of course, this one can turn into a group costume or a couple costume or anything like that. So let your imagination run wild. The next outfit is the classic Wednesday Addams from the Addams family. This is one of those I feel like most people probably have similar enough pieces in their wardrobe that they can put this outfit together. All you need is some type of collared shirt. I then paired a black long sleeve turtleneck on top of it, and I stuffed the turtleneck inside so it wouldn't show. Pair a black skirt, some black tights, black shoes, whether that be heels, flats, whatever you're comfortable with. And then of course she's got the signature like braids going down. I don't have long enough hair to do the whole braids, but you can always kind of represent it by little pigtails off the side if you do have short hair. Of course, for this one, you could always turn it into a group costume, maybe with your family, of the characters from the Addams family. Now I have 2 decade costumes. The first one is the 1980s, and I think my past 3 videos now have all had some type of like 80s costume, but I keep finding new outfits to do. This one I just threw on a jean jacket with some biker shorts. If your biker shorts are neon, that's better, but I don't have much neon. I don't wear much neon, so I didn't have that. But I did have some like leg warmers and some little fishnet hand things, and then I just threw a graphic tee underneath, kind of tucked it up a little bit to turn it into a more cropped top. And then for your hair, if you want to go all out and like put some scrunchies in it or tease your hair, like whatever you want to do, kind of depends on how full out you want to go, but I just kind of threw in a scrunchie and was done. Besides trying to find more neon biker shorts, you can really just add more neon to this look in general and get more of an 80s vibe off of it. Oh, and I forgot, shoes, my white Fila's, so just like sneakers. I just thought it looked cute with it. And the next decade costume is the 90s. I went for kind of a more grungy look with the flannel, a tank top underneath, and then some mom-esque jeans, black belt, and my black boots again. The piece that I think makes it the most like 90s is the black choker. So if you're doing this look, get you a black choker. People will definitely know what decade you're trying to be. Next costume might not be as easy to figure out what I am, but this costume is inspired by a Kendall Jenner like paparazzi streetwear photo. It's not exact, but it's as close as I can get it. So she wore a white tank, so I have a white tank top. She has some jeans. I just wore the same jeans from the last outfit. And then she has like a snakeskin kind of belt. I actually just got one of those, so that was perfect for this. And then she has some white boots. They probably are heels, but I only have kind of combat looking white boots, so I paired those instead. Also, she's got some jewelry on. I don't have a watch, but I do have some silver jewelry to represent that. And if you have a white little bag, that would be perfect. To branch off from just Kylie Jenner, you could do this with so many different celebrities or models. Just look up iconic outfits that they might have worn or other like streetwear outfits, and there are so many to choose from. So look up your favorite celebrity and maybe you can recreate their look. The last one is a costume inspired by a Bratz picture. I think this is a really cool idea because Bratz have some really cool fashion, and there are so many different pictures, some that people have like made clothes for them, and I think that's the one that I ended up being inspired by. I'll show you guys here, but I actually found it in a video of someone who dressed up as Bratz dolls, and she found this picture on Instagram, so I will link her video and then the Instagram down in the description box. But I put a little white cropped sweater I had underneath a red tank top to represent the little red top that she has over her white shirt. I found some light jeans to wear and then a white little bracelet because it looks like she kind of had one in the picture. And then I just paired some nude heels with it. Of course, it's gonna be kind of hard to tell what you are because your feet don't come off, but you know what you are. And I mean, that's the whole point of this video, is to just be able to wear like normal clothes and feel comfortable. If you wanted to go all out on this, you could do some like Bratz makeup or something, but not what I was going for. This would also be a cute group or like duo costume because there's so many Bratz to choose from and there's so many cute fashion looks that you could recreate. And that is all of my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which costume was your favorite, and I hope you guys feel a little bit better about Halloween this year. You can still dress up and have fun even though Halloween is looking different this year. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow my social media accounts there at the beginning of this video or in the description box below. I hope you guys have an amazing day or night, whatever it is where you are right now. Have a great Halloween. Make safe choices. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.